Hello everyone, welcome to CS with Aris. Elementary Maths for ML. This is my first series that I've started on this channel. Now, the thought process behind creating this series is my personal journey to create a roadmap to become an AI expert. Now, what I have personally understood is all the AI tools that we use today, underneath those tools lies machine learning, and machine learning is purely mathematics, and the foundation of that maths which is used in ML is basically the fundamentals that we have studied back in elementary school. For example, you will commonly come across a term called gradient. Now, what exactly is a gradient? Gradient is m in the equation y equal to mx plus c, and guess what, that's a straight line equation we studied in 11th class. Probability is very important in machine learning, but to better understand probability, you must also know what's permutation and what's combination, what's the difference between them, and by the way, what exactly is a factorial, what's n factorial. So I have taken a step back to have a good understanding of these fundamentals, and what I have actually done is that I've selected some topics, not all. Not every topic is important for ML maths, and in each topic we are going to focus on the fundamentals, and we'll solve some questions, 4 to 5, not much, and then most importantly we will try to create a bridge between these fundamental concepts and how these concepts actually gets applied in real world ML. And one important thing, what these sessions are not going to be is we are not going to focus on these theorems or derivations in depth. That's an examination stuff. So join me, guys, in this journey of becoming an ML expert. I wish you all, guys, all the very best for your learning. See you in my first video, guys. Bye.